How to send money from Remitly to bank account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send money from Remitly to bank. To send money from Remitly to bank account, you'll need to create an account. So you could either use an app or a browser version. I'm just gonna go with the browser version. So type in remitly.com and this is going to directly take you to their official page. So right over here, what you have to do is you want to go ahead and create your account. So once you are done creating your account and log in, you then need to go ahead and select the recipient, country and all that. So the interface will look something like this. So now then what you have to do is, first of all, you need to select where you actually sending the money. So in my case, I'm sending money from US to Canada. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select and click on send money. After which you will then be able to see continue sending. So if you're sure about it, you have to go ahead and enter in all the details. And in the meanwhile, you'll be able to find this section where you could see delivery mode. So since you want to go with the bank deposit, you have to select bank deposit. And then you need to select the particular bank that you are going to send the money. I'm going to go with Royal Bank of Canada and then enter in the account number and the transact number as well, and then click on continue. As you've done it, so on the next field it's gonna go ahead and ask you to select how you want to pay, maybe debit card, credit card or bank account, and double check all the information including the recipient details. And once you've reviewed everything, confirm the transactions or the transfer, and this way you'll have successfully sent money from Remitly to bank account. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.